OBD2 has power but won't connect. OBD2 has no powerful fix guide. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a super frustrating issue that almost every car owner or mechanic runs into at some point. That's right, the OBD2 port either has power but won't connect to the scanner, or there's no power to the port at all. In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose both problems step by step, and I'll give you real solutions you can try today to get your OBD2 system working again. Let's get started. OBD2 has power but won't connect. Alright, the first issue we're covering is when your OBD2 scanner powers on, but it can't connect to the vehicle's computer. This is more common than you think, and there are several causes for it. Let's go over them. Reason 1. ECU communication failure. First up, if the ECU, or engine control unit, isn't communicating properly, your scanner won't be able to read any codes. Even if the port has power, no data will come through. Try scanning another module like the ABS or airbag system. Try a different scanner if you have access to one. Some scanners aren't compatible with all protocols. Also, check the ECU fuses and relays. A blown fuse can kill communication instantly. Reason 2. Damaged or dirty OBD2 pins. Take a look inside your OBD2 port. Are the pins clean and straight? Especially pins 6, 14, and 7. Pins 6 and 14 are for CAN communication. Pin 7 is for the older K-line protocol. If these are corroded or bent, your scanner may power up, but it won't connect. Use electrical contact cleaner and a small brush or a precision tool to realign bent pins. Reason 3. Wrong protocol or scanner. Did you know different cars use different protocols like CAN, ISO 9141, KWP2000, or SAE J1850? Make sure your scanner supports all 5 OBD2 protocols. If you're using a cheap Bluetooth scanner, try upgrading or switching brands. Reason 4. Aftermarket interference. This is a sneaky one. Some aftermarket radios, remote starters, or alarm systems can interrupt communication on the CAN network. If your car has any of these, try disconnecting them temporarily, then scan again. You'd be surprised how often this works. Reason 5. Faulty CAN bus wiring. Last but not least, let's talk wiring. The CAN high and CAN low wires should form a twisted pair going to pins 6 and 14. Grab a multimeter and check the resistance between these pins. It should read around 60 ohms with the ignition off. If it reads 0 or infinite, you've got a break or short in the CAN system. Chapter 2. OBD2 has no power. Now let's move on to the second common issue. Your scanner won't even power on when plugged in. This usually points to a power or ground issue. Here's how to fix it. Step 1. Check the OBD2 fuse. The OBD2 port is usually protected by a fuse labeled something like OBD, SIG for cigarette lighter, data, or ECU. Open your fuse box often under the dash or hood and locate this fuse. Use a fuse tester or swap it out. This is the most common fix for a dead OBD2 port. Step 2. Test pin 16 for power. Pin 16 on your OBD2 port is the power pin. It should have constant 12 volts, even with the ignition off. To test it, put your multimeter's red lead on pin 16. Put the black lead on pin 4 or 5. Those are ground. You should get a reading around 12 volts. If you get nothing, that's a clue. Step 3. Check ground pins. No power to the scanner? Could be a bad ground. Pins 4 and 5 are chassis and signal grounds. Make sure those pins have good continuity to bare metal on the car's frame. Step 4. Look behind the port. If the fuse is good and the port still has no power, the wiring behind the OBD2 port might be damaged, loose, or corroded. Remove the port panel and inspect the wiring. Fix or replace any broken wires. Step 5. Check battery and main grounds. Sometimes the issue is further upstream, like a weak battery or poor chassis grounds. Check the main battery voltage and inspect ground straps between the engine and chassis. And there you have it. Whether your OBD2 scanner has power but won't connect, or it doesn't power up at all, these steps should help you track down the issue and fix it. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more automotive troubleshooting tips, and leave a comment below if you found a different fix. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.